Hello there YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luvuno K and I am so glad to have you here in my channel. If you're new, feel right at home. So today's video is another cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning my apartment, but this one I'm going to show you my weekly schedule on how I clean my apartment to make sure that it's clean and organized for an entire week. So the first thing that I do that falls on my normal basic routine is to make my bed, which I normally do every single day after I wake up. So I think that a made bed just leaves me so satisfied. So after I'm done with the bed, I just head over to the sink where after I brush my teeth, I just splash some water and rinse the sink to make sure that it maintains its color and make work easier when I do my general cleaning. So then I head over to the living room area. I tidy it up a little bit and remove all the things that are not, all the clutter that are not supposed to be in the living room, and just generally arrange it. This goes a long way, especially when you come in the evening and you're tired after running all your errands or working, and you won't feel so overwhelmed with the work that is in the house because you left it clean. So I think that's a tip that really works for me. So I normally usually clean up and pick up the clutter every day, but for the sweeping part I just normally do it after every 2 days, because the house is pretty clean, because there's not much activities that goes on here during the day. So because of the same, I normally mop the floors of the entire house every Saturday, weekly. That's when I do my entire general cleaning for the entire apartment. Except for the kitchen, I mop the kitchen after every 2 days, because a lot of activities goes on in there every day, because I cook every day. So another tip that I found out on making my whole apartment smell really nice is using my Downy concentrate, some vinegar and water mixture. I just spray that mixture on all of my curtains and my entire apartment just smells amazing. As you can see there, my pump broke, so I started using my hands. But if you're looking for tips on how to ensure a long-lasting fragrance in your house, you can try this. So after I'm done with my evening shower, I just like to go back to the bathroom and remove all of the soap foam that is on the wall, because hey, I think I shower really violently because all of the walls are filled with soap foam. So I'm just going to rinse all of that, and then I'm going to scrub some parts that I think need some scrubbing. And also for my loo, I like to also put in a little bit of some toilet cleaner and let it soak in there, and just flush it down the toilet, because where I live we have borehole water and it tends to discolor my toilet. So I like to do that after every 2 days to ensure that it maintains its color. So after all that, I like to just pour a bucket of water on the floor to make sure that all the foam that is still on the floor goes down the drain, and then I just let that bathroom dry up. bathroom, I just wash my hands and relax for 30 minutes, then make my dinner. Then I like to make sure that all the things that I use to prepare the dinner are washed and clean. I love to leave the kitchen all clean and organized for the next day. Now this is a cleaning habit that I do every single day because it makes my morning a little bit easier to manage and handle.
I like it.
So after I'm done with the dishes, I just like to wipe down my small counter space. And also after I'm done with the counter, I just like to also go and clean my gas cooking stove because it goes a long way to ensure that no unnecessary buildup is formed on the gas stove.
I like it.
And then I clean my kitchen towels. Now for the kitchen towels, I just usually clean them after like 2 or 3 days, or if I use it and it really gets really dirty. So the process I use it is just I rinse it for the first time to remove all of the dirt, then set it aside, and then after I'm done with that, I will now go back in and soak them in bleach for a whole night. Now the thing about the kitchen is that it gets dirty really easily because of the high traffic movements, the cooking, the sizzling, and also the chopping of vegetables. So I like to mop it after every 2 days to make sure that it is clean and that it's not greasy and sticky. So for the mopping, I just use water, soap, and some bleach. So that's it for the weekly cleaning routine. I hope you enjoyed that part. So now I'm just going to leave you with the pizza recipe with some captions, and see you at the end of the video. la la. So thank you so much for watching this video. So this marks the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.